Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Our gospel today speak about the most basic attitude of a servant, and that is humility. Toward the ends of the gospel, Jesus said, "So it should be with you. When you have done all you have commanded, say, we are unprofitable servants. We have done what we are obliged to do." The duty of a servant is to serve and to fulfill the task he was assigned to do. So the most basic attitude of a servant should be humility, being conscious of his status and the joy of fulfilling his duty. A servant should not expect receiving praise and thanks from his master. His master doesn't owe him anything. This particular account, my dear brothers and sisters, is the reaction of Jesus on the attitudes of the scribes and the Pharisees, who seems to be confused with their identity. They love receiving honor, they love receiving praise because they are serving the Lord. They thought that God is already indebted to them because they are fulfilling the commands of God. They thought na may utang na loob sa kanila ang Diyos. Minsan mga kapatid, ganito din tayo sa Diyos. Ganito din tayo sa ating relasyon sa Diyos. Sinasabi natin, "Lord, nagdadasal naman ako. Bakit hindi mo sinasagot yung mga panalangin ko? Lord, nagpapamisa naman ako. Bakit wala pa yung mga nire-request ko? Lord, nagsiserve naman ako sa Mega Mall. Bakit hindi ako siniswerte sa buhay?" So just like the scribes and the Pharisees, sometimes when we are serving God, we are praying towards Him, we are doing good works to others, we thought that God is already indebted to us. And our attitude changes toward God because we think that God owes us big deal. No? So kung ganon, we are more powerful than God. Kung baga hinahawakan natin sa liig yung Diyos. Oops, Lord, nagsiserve ako sa iyo. Kailangan makatanggap ako ng papuri. Kailangan mapansin ako ng tao. Oops, Lord, nagpipray naman ako sa iyo. Kailangan mong ibigay kung ano yung wish ko. But that is not the case, my dear brothers and sisters. Jesus wants to remind us that God will always remain God. And He is our master, and we are His servants. And in humility, we should accept this reality. So if we are rendering service to God, He doesn't owe us anything. We are just fulfilling the task we are ought to do. In the end, my dear brothers and sisters, by us doing what we ought to do, God is offering us the greatest gift of His salvation. By us doing the things that we ought to do, God is opening for us His salvation. And so that is for our own benefit, that is for our own salvation. So hindi nagkakautang na loob ang Diyos sa atin. But rather, kapag ginagawa natin yung mga bagay na dapat nating ginagawa, nagpapakabuti, gumagawa ng mabuti sa kapwa, that becomes the means of our salvation. And so our celebration today, my dear brothers and sisters, is reminding us to change our attitude towards God and be conscious of our status. Let us become more humble because we are all servants of God and God is our master. And all the things that we are doing, if we are pleasing the Lord, if we are fulfilling the task we ought to do, that is for our own benefit and salvation. Kasi ang Diyos, hindi naman na kailangan tubusin yung sarili niya. But tayo, kailangan natin ng katubusan. We need salvation. So, my dear brothers and sisters, siguro dapat yung prayer natin will be like the battle cry of the Jesuits. No? Ano po yung sabi ng mga Jesuits? Ad maiorem Dei gloriam. So, not for our own glory, but always for the greater glory of God. So, kung may ginagawa tayo dito sa daigdig, hindi para sa ating ikapupuri, kundi for the more greater glory of God, our Master. Amen.